Welcome to Future Hustle, where we explore the jobs, skills, and tools that will shape the future of work. Today, we're diving into a big question: which jobs won't survive the next decade? By 2030, artificial intelligence, automation, and digital transformation will completely reshape industries. So, here are the top 5 jobs that will disappear by 2030 and what will replace them. Stay tuned till the end to learn how you can future-proof your career. At number 5, data entry clerks. Once considered a reliable office job, data entry is now being taken over by AI automation and machine learning software. Companies no longer need humans to manually type or copy data. AI systems can process, clean, and organize information in seconds. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, over 80% of routine data entry roles could vanish by 2030. Tools like UiPath, Zapier, and ChatGPT are already replacing repetitive tasks once handled by entire departments. Replacement jobs: data analysts who interpret and visualize data, automation managers who set up and monitor AI tools. Coming in at number 4, telemarketers. You've probably received those promotional calls that start with, "Hello sir, can I interest you in?" Well, by 2030, those voices may no longer belong to humans. AI voice systems and chatbots have become so advanced that they can simulate natural conversation, detect customer emotions, and respond instantly. Companies like Google, OpenAI, and 11 Labs are already testing AI voice assistants that sell, support, and engage customers 24/7 without salaries or coffee breaks. Replacement jobs: AI customer experience specialists, marketing automation experts, AI prompt engineers. At number 3, cashiers. From supermarkets to fast food chains, the checkout experience is rapidly becoming cashier. Amazon's Just Walk Out technology and AI-powered billing systems allow customers to simply pick up items and leave sensors handle the rest. Digital wallets and self-service kiosks are already replacing thousands of cashier roles worldwide. By 2030, physical checkout counters will be a rare sight. Replacement jobs: retail automation technicians, UX designers for self-service systems, customer experience analysts. At number 2, drivers. From taxis to delivery trucks, automation is steering the wheel. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are racing toward fully autonomous vehicles. In major US cities, self-driving cars are already making test deliveries and taxi runs. By 2030, human drivers may no longer be needed for most delivery, transport, and logistics jobs. This shift could impact tens of millions globally. Replacement jobs: autonomous vehicle engineers, drone operators, AI fleet supervisors, and finally, the number 1 job most at risk by 2030, factory and assembly line workers. Automation in manufacturing has been growing for decades, but AI is taking it to the next level. Smart factories now use robots that can learn and adapt, making human oversight minimal. AI-controlled machines can weld, assemble, and even inspect products with unmatched precision and zero fatigue. According to McKinsey, by 2030, up to 45 million manufacturing jobs could be automated globally. Replacement jobs: robotics technicians, AI maintenance engineers, industrial data analysts. Now, before you panic, this doesn't mean humans will become obsolete. It means we need to evolve. Automation eliminates repetitive work, but it also creates new roles that demand creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. So, what's the lesson? The future belongs to those who can learn, adapt, and upskill. If your job involves routine, predictable tasks, start building skills in AI and data literacy, critical thinking, creativity, and communication. Remember, the machines might take some jobs, but they'll never replace human imagination. Thanks for watching Future Hustle, where we help you learn the skills of tomorrow and build the career of the future. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay ahead in the new world of work. Because the future isn't waiting, it's already here.